Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your app icons on iPad using shortcuts. First, open your browser. In my case, I'm going to use Safari. Go to the Google or any website where you can find icons. Search for the icon you want, for example, notes. And then after that, select an image and save it to your iPad's gallery. Now, open the Shortcuts app on your iPad. If you can find it, use the search bar or download it from the App Store. Now, click on Shortcuts. And then after that, click on the plus icon at the top. From there, click on the Open app. Now, tap the app text and select the app whose icon you want to change. For example, my notes. Now, select the Open app at the top and click on Rename. Now, choose the name that you want. After that, click on the Share button and click on the Add to Home screen. After that, click on the Gallery and choose the icon that we've saved. Now, click on Add. And then after that, you will see that it's already on our home screen. Since this method creates a duplicate shortcut, you can hide the original app to keep your home screen clean. And that's how you change app icons on iPad using shortcuts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.